Hey guys, in this video we are going to checking out top 5 best drone review in the market. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the link in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay update latest technology review. So let's get started. Number 5. ARC M66 Drone. This drone uses brushless motors, which usually means smoother flight and better durability than cheap brush drones. It also has optical flow positioning and altitude hold, so it can hover more steadily, especially indoors or in low wind. This drone, a built-in screen, means you can see the live view without mounting your phone. It also supports fun modes like headless mode, one-key return, and gesture-style easy controls depending on the app. It's marketed as 8K, but real-world quality usually depends on the sensor and stabilization, so don't expect flagship DJI level. It can capture decent aerial photos and short clips, and the camera angle can be adjusted. Flight time is advertised around 23 to 25 minutes, but realistically, expect a bit less depending on wind and usage. It's also very lightweight, so fly it on calm days for best results. If you want a beginner-friendly drone with a screen remote, simple controls, and fun features without spending a lot, this is a solid budget option. Number 4. Xiaomi Mijia A1R 3S Drone. It's foldable, lightweight, and easy to carry. The best part is the built-in screen remote, so you can fly and preview footage without depending on your phone. Super convenient and faster to set up. The A1R 3S offers 4K, 6K, 8K options, and it comes with strong stabilization features like EIS plus gimbal-style stabilization for smoother video. You also get a 120 degrees wide-angle view, and the camera can electronically tilt up to 90 degrees, which helps for cinematic angles and vertical-style shots. This drone includes GPS plus optical flow hover, so it stays steady indoors and outdoors. Smart flight modes include Follow Me, Orbit Flight, Waypoint, Trajectory Flight, and one-key takeoff and landing, great for beginners and content creators. It features laser obstacle avoidance and multiple return options like GPS return home, low battery return, and one-touch return, making flights less stressful. Overall, the Mijia A1R 3S is a strong choice if you want screen remote control, smart GPS modes, and high-resolution aerial footage in a portable drone. Number 3. Aliexpress GT8 Drone. The biggest highlight is the remote control with a built-in screen, meaning you don't always need to use your phone for live view. Super convenient for quick flying. It uses brushless motors, which usually means smoother flight and better durability. You also get GPS support, which helps with stable hovering and makes features like return flight easier compared to basic toy drones. This model focuses on basic HD recording, good for casual shots, short clips, and learning aerial filming. Just keep expectations realistic. This is more of a beginner-friendly camera drone, not a professional cinematic drone. It also includes visual obstacle avoidance, designed to help reduce crashes in simple situations. The control range is around 100 meters, so it's best for parks or open areas without too much interference. Overall, the GT8 is a great pick if you want a screen remote, GPS features, and a simple foldable drone for beginners. Perfect for learners, and a simple foldable drone for beginners, perfect for learning, practicing, and getting started with drone flying. Number 2. Mijia S2S 8K Drone. The drone is small and foldable, so it's easy to carry anywhere. It uses brushless motors, which usually means smoother flight, better power, and longer life compared to brushed motors. It comes with a dual camera setup, a front wide-angle camera and a bottom optical flow camera. You get EIS electronic stabilization, and the camera angle can adjust up to 90 degrees, helping for different shot styles. It advertises 8K photos, and video is listed up to 4K style resolution, so for the price range, the results can look pretty sharp, especially in good lighting. This drone includes GPS plus optical flow positioning, so hovering is more stable indoors and outdoors. You also get smart modes like one-key return, headless mode, gesture photo/video, and route drawing, where you draw a path in the app and the drone follows it automatically. The drone also claims long transmission performance with 5G Wi-Fi, but real range depends a lot on open space and interference. Overall, the Mijia S2S 8K is a solid option for beginners who want smart GPS features, dual cameras, and stable flight in a portable drone. Number 1. L600 Pro Max Drone. The L600 Pro Max has a solid foldable design and brushless motors, making it stable and durable. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and comes with integrated propeller guards for extra safety. This drone features a 3-axis mechanical gimbal with EIS stabilization, giving you smooth and shake-free footage. It supports up to 4K and even 8K photo resolution via the app, 50x zoom, which is impressive for its class. With GPS plus optical flow dual mode, the drone hovers very steadily, even outdoors. You get smart features like GPS Follow Me, waypoint flight, and 360-degree laser obstacle avoidance, helping beginners fly with confidence. The drone supports 5G real-time image transmission with a range of up to 4 to 5 kilometers in open areas. Flight time is around 25 to 28 minutes. Powered by a 4,500 mAh battery, which is great for long shots. Overall, the L600 Pro Max is an excellent drone for travel, vlogging, and aerial photography. It offers strong performance, smart features, and great value for its price.